Setting your sights. How to choose a perfect travel destination. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video on choosing a travel destination. Today, we'll be focusing on the exciting task of deciding where you want to go on your next adventure. Picking a destination can be thrilling, but sometimes overwhelming, especially with so many fantastic places around the world. In this video, we'll give you some useful tips and phrases that can help you make this decision. Let's get started. The first step to choose a travel destination is assessing your interests. Start by asking yourself, what am I interested in? Are you passionate about history, love outdoor adventures, or are you a foodie wanting to explore different cuisines? By identifying your interests, you can focus on destinations that will offer experiences you're excited about. Here are some phrases that can help you express your interests. I am passionate about I enjoy I love to explore I have a deep interest in Your budget plays a crucial role in deciding your destination. Ask yourself, how much can I afford to spend on this trip? Different locations will require different budgets. Remember that cost isn't just about the flight and hotel, but also about daily expenses such as food, transportation, and activities. Here are some phrases to discuss your budget. I have a budget of for this trip. I can't afford to spend more than I'm looking for a destination that offers good value for money. When planning a trip, you need to consider the time frame. Ask yourself, how much time do I have for this trip? This will help you decide how far you can travel and how much you can do while you're there. Here are some expressions that could help you discuss your time frame. I have days, weeks for this trip. I can't stay longer than I want to visit as many places as possible in days. Research is key when choosing a destination. Look into different countries, cities, or regions that align with your interests, budget, and time frame. While researching, you can use the following phrases. I'm considering as a potential destination. I've heard is amazing at this time of the year. Seems to offer the kind of experience I'm looking for. There you have it, folks. Remember, the world is full of incredible places waiting for you to discover. Choosing a destination is just the first step towards your next adventure. Use these tips and phrases to help you pick your perfect travel spot. We hope this video has been helpful and can't wait to hear about the exciting destinations you choose. Safe travels!